Hello, welcome back subscribers. It's Gregory Martire, local real estate coach and mentor, talking today about our sphere of influence, our SOI, our center of influence, our COI, our party list, our wedding list. So the golden goose in our real estate industry is people that know you, love you, and trust you, and actually refer you business. Those are clients that we've made happy, or those are our sphere of influence. So I call it a sphere of influence or center of influence and a party list. If you were going to have a party, maybe a wedding or birthday party, if you were going to have a cool party, a fun party, and all expenses paid and hands down, all the fun that you could imagine you're going to have, who do you want to be there? This is your sphere or your center of influence. Yes, that also includes your barber, maybe your manicurist, or your local mechanic, or maybe that great barista where you go, or that wonderful financial expert you have. So it's folks that know you and like you and want to see you succeed, and the same for them. You like them and know them and trust them, and you want them to succeed. So do not ever deny the power of your center of influence. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, let us know. If you had a question or would like to see some helpful memory joggers, I like to call it, on who's in my center of influence and how do I think of somebody, we've got a sheet to share. Yeah, shoot me a text or send me an email. I'll be glad to get it out to you. Have a great day, everybody.